Done a little bit on the Uno, so I thought I'd make a short video. This is not the turbo, this is my Carte Blanche, and I've marked out already what I've got to do. As you can see, this section's being cut out. I have made a piece, has a little fold on it. Made a next piece for that section along there. I'm going to cut this out, clean it up, take it from there. I've already made these, one on either side for the bumper. They were gone, they were totally gone. In fact, there they are, these. To make the pieces, I just use these simple tin snips and hammer, that weight, and I used the bolster, folded them, cut and fold, cut and fold. One piece made. Need to cut out where it's going to go. I think I'm going to cut from underneath. I'll put that there. Draw a line underneath now, like I have done there, and then cut it. One piece in. There's a few pinholes. I'm going to address them now. I've power filed it. I don't know what that looks like. I'm going to have a look in a minute. So I'd say you're seeing it first, but I'm going to edit this, aren't I? Drilled some 8mm holes in this piece, as I shown earlier. Folded a little lip to replicate the bottom of that lip there, and I will whip this on. One of the holes is, as you can see there, a bit too big. Well, the hole's not too big, it's just misjudged where the panel was, presuming it was just going to line up perfect. Obviously not. But I'm going to tack this in now. I'm going to go and put this phone on charge, and I'll come back when I've done it. There we go. Nice solid piece in. No botch ups. I'll seam seal it all. Gravitex it, you'll never tell. I did these yesterday. These tabs, they were missing. I'll put some seam sealer along here. Gravitex. Same again. You won't tell. Whee, there goes the cover. There's a couple of pinholes in there. There. And there. I'm going to give that a, oh, is that another? I'm going to give it a skim of fiberglass. One skim. On that side as well. But the piece is in, it's solid. I will seam seal all that. That is covered, the pinholes, by seam sealer anyway. That's why I chose to weld such a small piece in, because it's covered by the seam sealer, but I've done a good enough job anyway with the butt weld. But there you go, guys. I've masked off the area. I've red scotched it. Panel wipe and then paint. they're the pieces that I've made for the bumper on the corners where it bolts to. That's where the piece was that was welded all along there. Just Gravitexed it all. Just waiting for the Gravitex to go off and then I can put the bumper on. I've built the inside. I've sprayed the back panel over the Gravitex, nice and white. I put the rubber back on. It's fit properly this time. I've not got the neoprene piece that goes in the middle, but I've got one somewhere. And I've built the boot back up. Put this back in. You can see there where the line where the paint is, but I'm not too fussed about that. It's not really going to get noticed when it's a bit dirty, but it is all nice under there now, and you cannot tell. And anyone that is buying this car is going to know it's been done properly if they see this video when I point it out to them. Annoying things like forgetting to feed this pipe back up for the rear washer jet on the back windscreen. It goes out of this hole here. I've threaded that old piece of pipe through the top and it's just poking out there at the bottom. I'm going to put some tape around it and fish it through.